I live 20,000 meters above ground. To survive, I have to hunt a special kind of moth every day, but the prey I just shot fell into a huge hole. At the same time, an enormous insect opened its mouth and lunged toward the moth. At the critical moment, I used all my strength to reclaim my prey. In this resource-scarce high altitude, this moth is my hope for survival. In this world, there are towering giant trees. The tops of the trees have no leaves. Instead, they are covered by a transparent membrane that spans the entire planet. My village is built on top of this membrane. I am also the only young adult in the village. Back in the village, the moth was immediately cooked into food. I told the elders about today's hunt, but one of them warned me. Those moths are actually repairing holes in the membrane. He urged me not to overhunt. Lately, there have been more and more holes in the membrane, and the water produced by the giant trees is decreasing. Clearly, the tree is withering. While eating, I often looked down through the window, wondering if there were other humans living below the clouds. It was said that down there lay an endless sea of snow, which had flooded almost the entire land. The next day, I went to the edge of the hole to hunt as usual. Then a floating insect rose through the opening, with a basket hanging below it, and inside was a girl. I quickly took out my harpoon and shot the floating insect to stop it from rising further, then rushed toward the basket. But halfway there, the floating insect broke free. At the last moment, I leapt forward, grabbed the basket, and struggled to pull the girl out. Looking at the unconscious girl, I was full of questions. This was the first time I had ever seen a human from the surface.